How to use TikTok user search. So if you want to use your TikTok user search, then first open up your TikTok application and make sure you have a stable internet connection. And after opening your TikTok, now here on the upper right corner you will have a search icon, right? You can simply go for that search icon, and then you can search anything, like any person. You can simply enter their user ID, and then after entering that user ID, here you will have that user, or here on the upper right side you will have many options. So you can go for the top, top videos, or you can go for videos, and here you will have all of these videos with that particular username, or you can go for users if you want to search for that name. Here you will have all of those names, and here you will have all of the persons with that particular name, or you can go for sound, or you can also go for live, or you can go for hashtags. So you can use all of these options, any particular thing that you would like. So you can simply tap on that search icon, and then you can search for anything that you would like to search on TikTok. So that's how you use your TikTok user search. You can search for any person or any video or any music that you would like to add to your TikTok, or you can search for any hashtags or live videos and everything. So that's it, and if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.